Hello students, I welcome you in English class. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 2 Television as God. In America, television is a special god with its priests and priestesses. In the opening lines of the poem, the poet wants to say that television is like a special god. As God has its followers, the television has also its followers because the American people worship the television as God. How do they worship television? We will read in the following lines. No one has time for conversation or for each other. Television works in the remote crania of every high class pleasure. The remote of the television has become the source of high class pleasure of the mind. It means television has become the source of perfect happiness. And the daisies by my apartment window, tall, yellow as the fingers of the sun. Why are they so sad from neglect? The writer says that by his apartment window, daisies, which are tall, yellow in color, as the rays of the sun, are sad because they have failed to attract the attention of the people. They perhaps lost the competition. Television has trapped everyone in its shrine. Shrine means a place of worship. The daisies are sad because they have failed to attract the attention of the people. It seems that they have lost the competition because people are spending their time watching television, so they have been neglected. And the mothers wonder why their kids are doing poorly in school and their grammar is as good as chimpanzees. The mothers are worried why their children are not performing well in the school and the grammar of their children is as good as chimpanzees. It means children are so weak in grammar as chimpanzees don't have any grammatical knowledge. And of course, television is a special god and gods have their sacred abode in the hearts of their humble servants. Television is a special god as gods have their holy abode. Abode means home. God lives in the hearts of their servants. But now the question is, who are God's servants? Those who worship God, they are the servants of the God. And television is a god that speaks and smiles and acts and emotions are fortified as stars to ironed clothes. Fortified means made stronger. Television is a special god that speaks, smiles, acts and emotions. Emotions means the faith of the people becomes stronger. As we use starch to iron clothes to make the clothes strong, starch is the substance used to make clothes. And the truth of the world is accessed through the superficial words of the interpreters. Superficial means not serious. Interpreters means people who explain or translate. So the poet wants to say that the American people accessed the truth of the world through the superficial words of the interpreters of the television. So students, theme of the poem is watching television in excess is a waste of time. Instead of watching too much television, we should spend time with our family members, do some productive activities, play some physical games. Well students, it was all about the chapter Television as God. Thank you for watching this video.